Guatemala, land of trees, is the meaning in Maya Toltec language, land of trees. The first proof of human settlers in Guatemala goes back to 10,000 before Christ, although there is some evidence that put that date at 18,000 before Christ. There is archaeological proof that early Guatemalan settlers were hunters. The ancient Maya civilization in Guatemala was conquered by the Spanish conquistador Pedro de Alvarado in 1524, and Guatemala was a Spain province. Guatemala independence from Spain was in September 15 of 1821. Guatemala was become into a republic in 1839 after the United Provinces of Central America collapsed. Guatemala government formed the government in republic with one legislative house. National holiday is in September 15. The head of state is President Alvaro Colón Caballero since 14 January of 2008. The vice president is Rafael Espada. The suffrage age for voting is 18 years old. The population of the country is around 13,400,000 peoples. There are three kinds of people in this country. There is Ladinos, Chincas, and Garífunas. Guatemala has over than 25 official recognized languages. The principal rivers in Guatemala are Motagua, Usumacinta, Rio Dulce, Polo Chic, Sarstún. Guatemala investment. People should invest in Guatemala because it's the next door neighbor to the huge that will be created under the North America Free Trade Agreement with Mexico, United States, and Canada. Guatemala is also called the Eternal Spring Country. It has a great variety of microclimates, over 300, and volcanic soil, making agricultural production especially competitive in the winter markets of Europe and the United States. Guatemala has a diversified tourism. It can offer you the Mundo Maya, ecological tourism, colonial monuments, and Caribbean and Pacific coast beaches. It has a great access to both ports in the Caribbean. Principal investment areas in Guatemala: agricultural products. An agricultural country, Guatemala's coffee, sugar, and banana exports are important sources of foreign exchange. The country's climate is especially seasonal. The civilization of vegetables, fruits, and ornamental plants, the production of which has grown at a spectacular rate in the past few years. Areas of potential interest for co-investment are found in ancillary services for this industry, such as refrigeration and freezing, vacuum packing and processing, marmalades, juices, cereals, and canning. Hydrobiologic products. Guatemala's territorial water are an abundant source of fish, including sardines and red snapper. The private sector in Guatemala is very interested in attracting foreign investment for the development of the industry and ancillary areas, the natural and artificial lagoons. Ornamental plants. Thanks to the diversity of microclimates in the extension of the country, Guatemala is able to produce all types of ornamental plants all through the year. The mountainous volcanic are the best areas to plant Thailands and alphaedras, citrus, and mantras plants. Rubber and its derivatives. In the 1960s, Guatemala encouraged the cultivation of rubber in areas favorable to the cultivation of heaven resiliencies over a 1500 millimeters of annual rainfall, and the temperature is over 25 degrees. Production has continued to grow since 1971. Today, reaching is 20,000 tons a year. Thanks to the 383 plantations,